So here we are with another tiny, well, should I just say small modification. One of the common things when you have propane's bottles out on these metal trays in the front, over time that you will see that, well, the bottom side of the bottles combined with the paint and powder coating of this bracket here, rust starts to happen. It's just the way it is. And you can prevent that, at least in a couple of methods that I'm familiar with. You can put like a nylon tray in there, kind of like a bucket that you put in a car for the battery, that prevents and acts as a wear membrane, which is fine, but it also traps water. And so I'm not necessarily a fan of that. And instead I found that if you use a semi-soft under body of a car coating, like in this case I used a Permatex spray bottle, and what that does, not sure if you can see this, it puts a coating on here so that you can actually dimple it, and so it becomes somewhat soft, and so when the bottles move around, it's like a layer. Instead of scraping abrasively it off, it works to prevent the rust, and I've had good results with that in the past. So I just sprayed it in there, and the bottle's about to be reinstalled again.